So I'll be creating this party look in this video. So let's get started. To start with, I have moisturized my face. I'm color correcting with an orange color corrector. Orange will cancel out the dark circles and the pigmentation around my mouth. If you have light skin tone, you can use peach color corrector. And if you have dark skin tone, you can use red color corrector. I'm using a color corrector palette by MAC. Next, I'm applying some loose powder on the corrector that I used. It will dry the corrector so it won't mix with the foundation. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation in the shade Golden Amber. I have dry skin, so I use foundation that is hydrating for my skin. Next, I'm blending the foundation with a wet beauty blender. If you want to use a dry beauty blender or a dry sponge to blend the foundation, what you can do is spray some Fix Plus spray on your face and then blend the foundation. Next, I'm highlighting my face. Again, I am blending the concealer with a wet beauty blender. Next, I am applying cream blush. You can also apply powder blush, but cream blush I am in love with these days. It gives a nice glow, natural glow to your face. You can use a dry sponge to blend the blusher. Next, I am applying some loose powder to set my makeup. Next, I am using this Swiss Beauty contour palette to contour my face. It will give some dimension to my face. Whether you have double chin or not, you have to contour your jawline. To contour my nose, I am using a small brush. Do let me know if you want to have a separate video on how to contour your face in the comment box below. Next, I am applying some highlighter. To start with eye makeup, I am using this purple shade first. With the help of an eyelash curler, I am drawing a line. I am creating a fake crease with it. I am using a small brush to extend the line just a tad bit. Next, with the help of a card, I am drawing a line on my outer corner. Next, I am using this light purple shade. I am using a small brush to apply the same. Once I am happy with the pigment, I am moving on to the next shade. I am applying this shade with a flat brush. You can even use your fingers. For my lower lash line, I am using the same dark purple shade that I used at the start of the makeup. Next, I am applying glitter glue. I am applying silver loose glitter by Krylon. To apply the false lashes, I apply the lash glue on my lash line first. It makes it easier to apply them. Next, I am tightlining my upper waterline. It will make my lashes look thicker. For eyeliner, I am using Black Track eyeliner by MAC. You can use the liner of your choice. I'm just creating a little bit of wing. Also, it will be easier if you apply the liner first and falsies later. I'm applying mascara to stick my lashes to the falsies. As I am going in with a dark shade of lipstick, I am using a lip liner first. You can use the lipstick of your choice. I'm using this lipstick by L'Oreal Infallible. It's in the shade Rose Blood. So this is the final look. If you like